Overpacked, overwhelmed.
Overpacked, overwhelmed.
Overpacked and overwhelmed.
Overpacked and overwhelmed.
Overpacked, overwhelmed.
Welcome to Marfa. Here we are. Another adventure at the Prada store in the middle of the desert. Obviously you cannot get in here, but this is so crazy. Prada, Marfa, and there's literally like purses and shoes in here. First of all, oh my gosh, these purses are beautiful. Like that one in the middle. Give me that one. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. And then there's shoes. Look at the gold shoe. And these shoes look tiny. Like they look like they can fit me. I want that one. I want the gold one. Oh my gosh. Of course you can't get in here, but like, oh, hi security camera. What a dream this is. On my adventures. I feel like I need these shoes. Just give me the shoe. Oh my gosh, look it. I need somebody to come out here and fluff this purse. It's lean with it, rock with it. That's no one. It's crunchy on this side here. Like it needs to be standing up straight. This is crazy. That's so cute. And then like, guys, look. People have left locks all around this fence that's here. I have a lock in my car. I feel like maybe I should go get it and put it on here just so I have the memory to say that I did it. It's like, it's not even a cute lock, but it would just be mine. Be like, yep, one day I'll find my lock. I have been literally coming across, I found one of these in Austin, Philly. Like, you got some drinkers here, you know. But yeah, it's all around the fence. It's so crazy. So I might leave, well, this little, I have two locks, but one is a little purple one. I might leave that one, although it's my sister, so I don't think she'll care. And we have a little historical fact study here. October 1st, 2005.